internet can handle it. So. Right, I believe we are streaming. Word up,
Got
world.
that pommy internet, you know?
You know what I'm
With
saying?
that kangaroo internet.
Up and down. It's up and down. Cool. Welcome to the -1 people watching. To the most
Welcome.
show on the internet. And if you don't believe me, believe me. Believe me more. Believe me more. Right, what did we do yesterday? Left the stream at break even. Not that anyone's counting, but managed to catch a little bit of love towards the end. I've decided that these two accounts that I have are going to be stream accounts, so everyone should know the details of that. So what are we looking at today? Today we are on both accounts. Let's have a little check-in. Little check-in. So we were at $50,006 yesterday, a whopping $6 profit for the day. But today we have a little slight more advantage. We took that trade over there, and that delivered us a little 295 on two gay boy. Actually, I can't. Can I say that? Gay boy? I guess. I don't know. Whatever. But two little connies. And we'll see.
We monetized, mate.
Yeah, not until we monetize, I suppose. With that today, Flubbed, you're joining us. How's it going on your side?
Hey, good, my brother. Good.
Good.
Got a good little nap before market.
I'd love that. What's your thing for today?
I'm very interested in the 600 level on the Qs, 24,725 on the Nasdaq. It is the highest put support level for the day. So just waiting for open and seeing reaction and what direction we get for the day. It's MTI is slowly changing to bullish on the 15-minute now.
It's nice. Yeah, we are bullish on the 5 as well. But there's no love on the 5-minute in terms of volume to support this long. And the thing is, if you don't kind of get in now, you're gonna miss the initial pump.
That's right.
So you either just take your chances here with your bias, or you miss on the move. But that's really the case. So for me, caught that short down. Let me see if I can see what happens here. So our normal pattern for entry is just going to be lowering volume, but I want to not trade the open as hard. Volatility today still very, very high. Expect all those pivots to overshoot, but at the same time, expect your TPs to run a bit harder than what they normally do. So scoot those up a bit and keep those SLs, I don't know, either tight or just reduce your position size so that you can take a bit more pain. For me, I reduce my position size. I'd rather be in it. So here, let's see this. This could be a little fake out. 2 minutes to go. Do you buy the open? Let's see, do we buy the open? Let's prepare drift and courage. We do buy the open. Super negative gamma environment. Spent 2 full trade sessions on the wrong side of the fence. Don't want to do that again. Skews in the favor. Negative gamma to a certain extent. There's actually nothing positive about this market. There really isn't.
No, nothing at all. There's nothing at all.
Absolutely nothing positive about this market. Even, I was just saying to Flub before the call started, even if we look at the... No. Ask you one, bro. Yeah. Just give me a second, Rex. I might want it along the open, but again, it's why do you want to be on that side? I need to slap myself. Need to slap myself. Right. Let's see. 1 minute to go. Is it the pump show or the dump show? Volatility very high. Everything negative. I mean, you really couldn't be more negative on the market than it is right now, which means you probably want to be a contrarian. You probably want to be a contrarian here. But in the day traders world, just get on the side of the market, bro. We don't try to be whales. Just try and ride the whales. Oh, look at that freaking spike down. Yo, buddy. Yep. This. Remember I was saying a 700 was a good long. 700 was a good long. Was a good long. Yo.
Yeah.
Check it, that buy volume coming. Oh, no.
Yes, that's fucking.
I didn't say anything. Let's just see if we can get a time frame.
There's no video proof.
Yeah, bro. This thing is, again, this is where you want to be. On the side of the skew. Even if you didn't care there, that was, holy moly, 60 plus.
I'm not going to take a trade till these Gex levels.
That was 70-point swing right there. Just that little thing there was 70-point swing.
Jesus.
And look at that volume. Flick, flack, flick, flack, flick, flack. It's like some co-defendants in an Epstein trial flick flacking. The H1 P.O.E.S long is kind of triggering, but again, there's nothing else that actually makes this a viable push trade. I said that yesterday, and then it dumped another 150 points.
They're fighting this level, bro. That's 600.
Let's have a look at Tanuki. So I was looking at Tanuki. If we look at Tanuki 3 months out, we are super neg. So essentially, what is like a monthly map kind of thing. We are on the biggest, dumpiest. You want to kind of buy this. If it drops through this, it's going to be a shit show. Maybe I pop up to 25,220. Yeah, and then a dumpy back down. So any kind of up movements, unless supported strongly by zones and like other confluences, it's going to be sold. I'm going to try and sell as much as I can today at the right areas. Big bottom wicks. Again, I don't care about wicks, just shows a little bit of where the market's been. Yeah. What is the stream showing us today?
Yeah.
Right. Gex stream. We are on the obvious monster. 600.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got going on here. Come on, man.
A huge psych number too, so it's going to be a lot happening here.
Now 600 is also 24,700, so double.
That's right. And it's literally wicked down to that 700.
Yeah, that's why I'm watching it. So I said the 700 was such a good long. 720 was actually what I spoke to you about.
Yeah.
You look really good. Tough, though.
How's it saying no more songs in the list? And I've added a playlist of 50 songs.
My bad. Let me go put that music on.
Oh, I've played it.
Kakla, bro.
Yeah, this should be playing a whole playlist.
The trouble is I can't control the music and your voice independently if it comes through Discord. I can turn the music down.
You
And then
can.
have you, yeah, I can turn the music down and then have you full blast, but then I can't like use the clip. What do you call it? Ducking and all that sort of weird stuff. So I try to put the ducking on your audio.
No, you just turn the music down and leave me up. Bring Flavorbot right down.
It is actually in the background playing right now.
Yeah, it's got music at the moment. I'm just going to recopy that playlist fucking address.
Yeah, these rip downs are much more juicy.
50 tracks to queue, so...
All royalty free?
Yeah.
Sweet. Let's do it.
And I've added them to the like list. This is the one we've been playing the last couple of nights. We've had no strikes on it. Okay, we've broken that 600, so if this holds, this is coming down, my bro. 595 on the queues, that next level, eh? Ow. Alright, let's get an idea of the market too. Everything is dumping. Every single Mag 7 is dumping.
Yeah, we answer.
VIX, the VVIX has skyrocketed to 112. VIX is at 21. Yeah. Looking very neg overall, bro.
Look at this. This is also treasury yield spiking.
Think
Yeah.
if this...
Look at the dollar, bro. The dollar just holding, bro. So this it just shows, Norbert, people are not. There's no like willingness to be risky. If the dollar's not dropping and the yen as well, we're getting out of risk assets. So this doesn't hold well for the Nasdaq, and you can see that obviously. Damn. Meta down 12. Is that points or percent? Must be points. Can't be percent. That's insane. No. 21.9. Yeah. Bitcoin getting some love. What the? Some odd shit going on.
Yeah, 12%, 1.89, 1.89%, 12 points. Meta. I hate how charts get stuck. Like when you try drag one, they should all just drag nicely, but you got to do them each individually so the end of it can like unlock from the right side of the chart, and then they, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's so annoying.
We've got this one. You see our mine on screen now. You can do that. See how they all move with one.
Oh, I can't see the screen. I don't have the stream open. Give me a second.
Yeah, I set down from 7.
Yeah, show me.
You see there, like I just dragged this one on the top left, and everything kind of moves around for me.
Yeah, that's what I do. But you see how the last one on the right, the last chart, you see how the push levels lock to the right. Grab that chart now, and scroll it till you can see the push levels on the right. The top right chart.
I see what you mean, yeah.
And now go back to the first one and drag it, and the push levels on that last one will be unlocked, and they'll drag properly with the first one now.
Yeah, you're right, bro.
You see what I mean?
Yeah, that's weird.
it's like the last level gets locked on all the other charts, but not the first one. So you got to unlock them all, and then it moves freely with the. It's so frustrating, bro, because I just want them to work properly. It's just not symmetrical, so it gives me the shit.
Bounce off 600 down, 24/7.
VIX is spiking too, bro.
Yeah, I'm happy with that. I want to see.
Yeah, so the 600's not. Yeah. I'm gonna drop to the 1 minute and see what this looks like. Yeah, you see, it's yeah, balanced price range. Is that what it's called? Balanced price range, yes. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Fucking called it. So down to 596, 595 on the queues. Yeah, that was it. There we go, my bro. Market's not happy. All right. Looking very neg. So the next highest net GEX level, 24,520. About 560 there. $24,500 has 281 contracts on it on Bookmaps.
Yeah, but I mean that would be for you anticipating a long or what?
No. I'm very bearish.
Very bearish. Let's just stay bearish today.
No, I'm saying that's a magnet down to that level at least, which lines up roughly with that third put wall. Yes, here we go, 600. Yep. Yes.
Yes. Here it's like here you want to kind of get short again. Like the 700s.
Guys are setting up for that T1 short. Oh no, okay.
So close in the morning as well, bro.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it easy, bro. It's so much easier to read this shit after like an hour, 2 hours. Okay, we got some Gex stream info coming through. Let's go have a look. Let's see. Yo. Okay, so based on what this thing is telling me, it is dealers are positioning themselves. Dude, there's people fucking positioning themselves up at 625. Fucky now. Negative gamma deluxe 600 being the core put wall, and then this market's according to this dealers are positioned quite not that much, but we want to get over 600 and then below 594. These guys are out of the money here, so they're safe. So yeah, dealers are trying to push this above 600, 601. The market itself wants to be above 610 or below 596. So that's kind of our range today, 596 to 610. 593 to 660? Nah, I can't beat it. What is that standard deviation there? 609. Okay. So yeah, that's exactly what I said. Yeah, boy. 594 and 610, and we're looking at the expected move is between 594 and 607. 610, in fact. Look there. Okay. Oh, getting some love here on the Nasdaq. Again, not interested in this kind of love. This is dirty diddy love. Perfect place to get short. Yeah, that's what we did last time. 608. The right idea here is to get in if you're going to get in now. But it's not, nothing here is actually telling me personally to get in. Plus it's early in the day. So I'm not too interested. Just looking for a time frame. The 30 second is moving 40 points at the moment.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, the 30 second chart is moving 40 points at the moment. That is that's enough to feed a family. It really is. In 30 seconds you can feed your family for life. 40 points. Hey, one coin. It's nice. Okay, here we go. So here would be a almighty, ungodly high volume level. So this entire area here is just an absolute shit show. You'd want to be shorting any weakness on the longs here. And this is the daily P.O.E.S. And the daily P.O.E.S. is sitting here at 24,950. Of course it is. And I bet you your book
Yeah, 850 starting to light up, and then 812 might take a little 2 mini stab on this. 2 micro. It's 850. It literally missed me by a tick. Yeah. Ah.
Plenty of time, bro. Plenty of time. Deep breath. Get back to it. get exactly
Yeah.
what you want, fuck it, bro. And if you get what you want and you still fuck out, it's okay. You should go exactly what you want. Before stream, I said MHP was where? I said it was somewhere.
Remember, 24,600 something, wasn't it?
Yeah, I'll tell you right now.
What was that, DD?
Yeah, I said 24,725. Matt got it at 24,629. 629. How did you get that?
That's a very, yeah.
Let's check this quickly. If I go to here and I look at the
Anything can be more accurate on the day.
No,
I
I'm
mean-
just looking at the optimal monthly. You see, this is why I want to sell. Just sell. Fuck. 24.
Yeah, I would have TP'd there. That would have been $400.
Yeah. Stick on the right side. Why is this thing not changing?
Yeah, we're back in negative delta.
Stay positive, buddy.
Yeah, I'm going for a bong. Chilling out.
There you go. Do that. Just fucking do that, man. Just do not get emotionally compromised, man. There's so much good trades today.
Beef jerky was the code word for kids' meat.
Yeah. Fucking hell, that's sick shit, man.
In the one email that says, oh, we're going to walk the beef jerky over to Jeffrey now. Like, why are you walking the jerky? Aren't you bringing it? Like, carrying it? Is it walking next to you? That's fucking nuts, man. You see Trump with the fucking Islam leaders and shit, like the fucking Israel leader, like pushing his chair in and shit. Like they've said, Trump's said that he's a Jew. Trump's a Jew. Bro, he panders to the Israel Prime Minister, bro. President, whatever it is. He fucking cowers in front of him. That dude owns Trump. Like, seriously, bro. The Jews are taking over the world.
Just ask Kanye. Changes on any of my. No changes on any. Let him know, buddy.
Did you hear that?
Yep.
Ugh.
Let's have just trying to figure out how to get that 6 level. That's a very interesting level. But the thing is, my shit's not changing either. Is it supposed to?
Schmitty,
There we go. Yes, sir.
focus on Gex. Buck Rocket Scooter.
No, I'm not. It's not. It's the thing is, I wanna know at what monthly expiries are of interest to people like him, because people like him are smarter than people like me. At least in this world for the moment.
Yes, so go on your Gex stream website and click it to standalone, and then go click it to each day and see what numbers come up.
That's exactly
What
I was
levels?
doing. Yeah, that's exactly what I was doing.
Yeah.
So, but it's not the Gex stream I was trying to do that on. So if you double click on the
No,
Tanuki-
it's
I'm
on
saying
Tanuki, yeah.
If you go onto the first, you can go to the optimal monthly. So that's what I was looking for there. Just get the monthly map.
But
6.
the more monthly. If you check any other levels, make sure you put it on standalone though, otherwise it shows you a blend of the whole thing still. So on the left there you can see it's yellow with that like E symbol and it's cumulative. Yeah, so you want to select standalone to select each actual expiry, otherwise it still blends them. This is what I read on their website. So chuck standalone and see what levels you got.
So you use standalone even for the 0 DTE? Yeah, check it out there.
For the 0 DTE, it doesn't change anything. But you can see the whole expiry across the board changes when you put it onto standalone. The camera. So what's a month? 28. 24,600. 24,600 on the standalone 28 day, which is the monthly, is 2,600. Look how accurate that was. Fuck Rocket Scooter.
So let's just quickly, I'm on your stream, show me again. I'm looking at your stream now.
Yeah, no, but I'm talking about the Gex levels. So let me just, hang on. Let me just swap my stream quickly to...
Are you streaming a app? That's all good.
I'm streaming the app, yeah. So... can I not change? Share your screen. I'll share my entire screen. Entire screen. Screen 1. Share. Alright, so you can see it now, yeah?
There we go. Got it.
You can see it?
Can see it.
So, obviously, this whole thing is red. When you're on cumulative, now go to standalone, it changes them to each one on their own. It's not a blend. So this is probably the more accurate one for us. And then 28 day, 24,600 is lit up here. That's exactly where we went down to. So,
okay. So 28 day.
28 day would be our Rocket Scooter monthly.
You see, but go click on the W4. Go click on the W4. Go to the right, just right one.
Oh yeah. Oh right. Yeah. 24,110.
And then again on 28 days.
28 day would be your monthly, so that's 24,600, exactly where we fucking touched. So we came down 20 points under.
Right to the right of it, just to the right of what you selected now.
Oh yeah. 2. 24,315.
Alright, nice one. Thank you very much, dude. It's good to see.
So this is 2 week and 1 month. I don't know what that is. So we're still, like, I'm diving into things every day, but haven't touched on exactly. But yeah, the standalone thing is for the 0 DTE traders. So I think this would be, not that this is even relevant to us really, but it is how the month's looking, or the next fucking 854 days apparently.
Yeah. Okay, I can see that 600 level, strike 5.
Or you can put it to key levels only, so it's only ones with big imbalances, but I'd prefer to see all of it. So even standalone is looking bearish for the next fucking few days. It's all changed.
We're on the monthly map for 2 week, 1 month. And for the 3 week art, 4 week art. We're at the bottom of everything, every major key strike. That's interesting. It's got 28 days. standalone?
Yeah.
Got it.
T1 short again, eh?
Yeah.
T1. Fucking S1.
S1 is right here. So we're on it. We just need to close under it. We did not close under it, but we did close under the negative. So we'd look for. See, we're in this real choppy zone, so I'd only want to be taking it from like kind of up here-ish. If I'm gonna short from up high. In fact, I can see something already starting here. Let's check. Do we get up to 24/7 6/8? 24/7 6/8. Let's see what that is. 24/800 is a better. This is this huge stoppage.
Yeah.
So it's like I don't trust trend lines that much, but I mean that just is fucking ridiculous. Oh wait, we're looking at your screen.
What? I don't have a trend line.
No. If you look at my the stream screen, like, it's not that I trade trend lines. It's just like, what is the chances? I drew that before, long before. It's got these huge wicks in the previous 30 minutes, so this is like range for us to go into. If we look at those same ones with something like a volume profile. Where is that volume profile? Fixed range volume profile. It's in here and half past. Yeah. So if I was gonna take it, like I said already, it's around the 800 level. I'd prefer to take it. Let's see a reduction in buy volume.
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hourly volume too.
Yeah.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming
The squeeze, yeah.
Love this little meme. It says, "Girl, are you a newspaper?" She's like, "No, why? Because it's a new fucking issue every day."
Wish I could say that to my ex. I can't.
It's current, bro.
You
Right.
still have the opportunity.
Yeah, it's true. It's true. Heavy lies the crown.
King's job ain't easy, bro. Got the trend down and the trend line going up. If this pops out of one and touches it and goes, it's going to be fucking hilarious.
Oh, you mean like that guy there?
Yeah, this like triangle wedge that's going on here.
It's a weird thing.
Yeah, lower highs and higher lows.
It's like it's always the same case because what you can do is you can draw like I used to trade with a guy, a parallel channel guy. He used to do this. This is his trades. So that's why I used to trade.
Yeah, right.
Like I said, you can sleep on trend lines all you want. I don't fucking trade by them, but sometimes you just see some shit in your back testing that you can't unsee. It's really the case, dude. It's like if the thing pops over, then I'm gonna favor a little bit of long. I pop over here, strong volume, come back down, retest top, boom. But nah, I won't blind enter there. Should've.
Nah.
Especially when you got that kind of like sell volume at the top of that little thing there.
Yeah, so you caught a nice trade there before, bro. Did you take that drawdown? Were you in that for? Yeah, is that where you got in? Is that right?
Exactly there,
Yeah.
Oh, I know why. Yeah, there it is. So there was that pre-news one that I told you about. And this was the post-news.
Very nice.
Yeah. Another trade, another day. Right, let's see. We're still kind of respecting myself.
Yeah, we're just stuck in it still. We called it at the beginning of the stream, bro. This 24/7, 25, like the 600 on the cubes around this. This is going to be a zony fucking play for yeah. Got to break clearly one way. Look at the cues, bro. It's just been consolidating for fucking.
It's what they say, coiling. It's just coiling here. Everything's coiling. So next big play, you need to get in early if you want to really get involved with this shit. Yeah, they want to get above 600. Definitely dealers are trying to get above 600. We're at 601. 600, 601. As soon as they get above there, that's when they can start offloading and then dumping it down. So it's like, do you rather want to be involved with the long or the short? I'd say the short. Yeah. Okay, popping up. It's good. Let's see what the... Okay, I've got a snow one. What?
Yeah, right.
buy at the top. Good buy volume into that. Let's have a look at the 5 minutes. No confidence on that 5 minutes. So if I'm going to short, I'm going to short them up here. Let's have a look. But as I turn my head back, I think it's going to be gone.
It's already gone, brother. 24,800.
Literally.
Still doing this.
So
Still doing this range play.
Yeah, I want to do this range play. But I'm like, am I ready too late for the party?
Yeah, we've missed that pump unless it resets down at the 24,725 again. In a few weeks on that 1 minute. 270 contracts on bookmap here at this 800, and they all just disappeared. That level just broke. So prices potentially going up from here. Liquidity building at 837 now. This 800 pop might be viable, but then we're banking on a break of the range, which is happening. Called it. Didn't take it.
I was about to say, it's just one thing calling something and then nothing altogether taking it.
Yeah, chat, if you're quick enough, we'll make you some money, but not ourselves. At least take me for a ride in your Porsche GT3 when you get it, chat.
Yeah, I've got a question for the audience there.
We're trying to break this range, so yeah, look at that previous one, bro. Tap that call wall. 0.25 off. So it touched my sell. It touched my sell, but didn't go through price.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that CBD's breaking the lows, so you might get that range play you wanted. 850's also lighting up on book maps. Yes, bro. I wanna.
Trouble is, again, I'm not convinced in the long. Why would I be long? 5 minutes not looking great. 2 minutes to go.
1 minute neither.
1 minute with a big dump.
It's back under that 8. Oh, never mind. Yeah, so I'm pumping 850. I was just about to click buy on that. Just 2 micros. Take a small little poke.
So the top of the range though for a long you want to catch it?
Yeah, no, that's why I didn't really click buy, I guess.
So we have the high volume. We want to get up to 24,850. Okay, I gotta go. So what I'll do, I'll leave the stream on for you. I'm just gonna pop it on your screen. Yeah, everything's good on this.
What are you going for?
Yeah, I'll be going for like 25, 30 minutes. Just gonna pick up the school run.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. All right, cool.
This, you see what I'm saying here? You gotta always take. You can't take the longs from the top, especially in a range play like this, dude. When that liquidity is like this, and it's easier to view on trade evades, this massive block over here. All of this is range play. So shorts from here, longs from here. Everything in between, don't fuck with it. You gotta bet that the stock is gonna stay in between here. Until it doesn't, you know what I mean? But I can tell you now, you're gonna make more money betting that it doesn't, trying to bet that it does. So trying to bet that it does bust out of this range is a riskier bet than it is staying within this range.
Yeah.
Anyway, speak to you in a bit. Over to you, Flabs, all on your screen. I'll speak to you now.
Peace. Let's see if we come down to the bottom of this range again. True, I can, yes. Peace. All right. What stream is this? No, not that one. I've got so many fucking windows open. What is this? Formula One. No. Rattle. Right. Where are we at? I guess that can fuck off. Control room. That's what I wanted. Bushka. Something went wrong. Awesome. No, we're back. Dual stream, automatically generated photo. Did I just miss that? Fuck you. Fucking around with the stream. Fuck. Yes, man. Is the chat fucking just like it matters? What the fuck?
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to
Missed my fucking entry, man.
got this far, don't know how. I see danger.
Let's just pop another little one there on that 725. Yeah, that's watch now it'll bust through. 750 on book maps. Great. Now we're closing this range. Would have been my TP at 2. Fuck you. Come back down. Come get me. Don't go. Don't go nowhere. Dog. That would have been a nice $300 for the fuck day.
Just like a spark that's burning out. Can't make a stop, can't turn.
Just wick me in, please.
We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just
Holy fuck.
the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up. Tonight we gonna light it up, babe. Tonight we gonna light it up.
Come on. Yeah, seriously? Push all that? My bro. Holy fuck, the F1's gonna be cool this year. Why do I feel like this is gonna fuck me now? And we're in. Let's see how this range goes. Please be kind to me. Come on, pop, please. Fuck that, fuck it. Nice 2-1 there. Alright, that's one little trade. 38 points. I'm happy with that. Could have got a bit more out of it, but I should have held. Oh, Jesus. Anyway, I'm happy with that. $200. One thing, yeah, I remember. Oops. Nah. All this liquidity above, yeah. Yep, knew that was gonna fucking happen. That's alright. Managed to. Is this gonna still turn around? Yeah. I think I did the right thing there. Now we chill. I've got for now volume coming. Yeah, I mean, I should have held that. What a pussy. Pussy. Fucking knew it was happening. It's back down there. I'll go a bit heavier. Yeah, it's not coming back, is it? There we go. 850. Fucking knew it. I'm annoyed at myself that I didn't hold that. To be fair, I did try and move it down, I think. Right. Now this 850 is the second highest callable, so this should be a short for us. Negative. It is changing. Alright, so we might be changing trend now. I'm gonna go for a bong and see what happens with this. Oh, 850 long. Liquidity is building above on book maps. CBD is pushing up. This is one of my levels. No, it's coming down. Fuck. You. No, I'm gonna keep my stop loss there. Not moving it. 20 points. $25. $900. Let's see if we get that. Hold on to a 900. Please. Tap me. 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 We hold. We hold. We hold. Just touch you fuckwit. Yes, it's Mabry. It's 75 again. Fuck that. I'm not coming that low. Let's go bottom of this wick. Yo, massa puss. Yeah. Back here. We take that. What am I on? 880.5. 880. Yeah, fucking 880.5. What are we getting on? Yeah, right there. Alright. And we put stop loss at the day's open. So, very good. Very good. 2.5 for another 30 point scalp. Yeah, boy. We take those. So we have $200 now. Looking bloody marvelous, mate. We didn't get to that 900, so do we go another little stab on this one? You're gonna push up to 900 now, eh? 950, you fucking dog. You fucking mutt. And there's my 900. I didn't hold twice in a row. Look at this. Yeah, dog. I need to get some bigger balls. Fucking dog. Look at that. Yeah, man. Yes, yes. Make a coffee chat. I'll be black. Stay white here.
point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
All right, we're back. Time for it. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go to the music. Bum, 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 bum. This video's at 5 views. Shit. Watch time, fucking nothing. Holy smokes, we're back down here. Yo, thank fuck I didn't put on that 850. Holy smokes. Alright, we're coming. No, we're not. No trade. Yeah, I knew that was, yeah. Could sort of see that building up. Previous resistance, now support. Not on a level of mine. Not in my time frame. Alright, so we took and liquidity's building below 900 shorts, looking nice, but not in my rules. Not so that is working. Okay. Let's go over. Here's Tanuki Trade's website. It's very cool. This is your expiries up here. This shows your gamma. If you put your call by like dominant at the moment. This is a new feature. It's really cool. What? Let's dominate both. Option interest. Let's dominate both open interest and volume at similar ratios. Where'd you go? Today's flow roughly matches existing positioning. Today's call divided by put. It's roughly balanced. Okay. Oh, so is this a ratio 1-to-1? Must be. Yeah, that's what that's showing. Okay, cool. So it's nearly 1-to-1, slightly put dominant. Alright. And then they also give you this view. It just shows it to you in a more basic. You can't drag those. Okay. Just shows it to you in a more basic view, and you can zoom in, zoom out. This is new now though with these charts. It's really cool. You can change your chart colors to hollow, monochrome. Monochrome's nice. Wish we had custom colors, but this is a good addition. So, what did we say? 28 day. That's interesting. That's actually changed now. I like how this actually adapts with the day. 0 DTs where we look. Oh, that's why it's not showing 28.7. Yeah, there we go. So we put on standalone, it shows you the singular expiry that you selected. Back in negative, a gamma continuation delay. Alright, and Gex stream. Tony knows more about this. So here that 600 level's really protected. And then dealers are starting to position up here. Well, not dealers, but the market, I guess. Starting to position themselves higher up. $601. $601 on the Qs. Halfway there. Already hit it. Pushing down. Learning how to use this fucking YouTube studio shit. It's not actually very good. We're not live. Are we live? Live. We should be live. Yes, we're live. Let's link the new stream. Righto. The previous video had 7 views. Nice. Hello, guys. Fucking stay around and say hello, mate. Analytics. This is what I want. But something's wrong with the chat thing. Great. That's awesome. So let's do... Is it this?
Oh, buddy.
Yow.
How's it going, bro?
Good, bro. Caught to... Jesus, I'll be back down at this level. Fuck, Gotta take a stand.
Who wants to be long here?
Me, I caught 2 longs already.
Oh, that's some brave longs, mate.
No, I caught that ride up, bro.
Oh, nice, dude.
Yeah, I posted it in trades taken. From 24.725, I caught that up 38 points. It went higher, obviously, and then I caught it at that 850 again for another 30 points. I took one SL of 13 points, only on 2 micros. I've only traded 2 micros, and I was thinking about it when I went for making another coffee before. Yeah, thought that 900 was on.
Either, so it's this is like buy.
Yeah.
Right, huh?
Exactly, and I've been looking at, I took chat through it before, the whole chat. If you look at the stream here, so puts, so this I've worked out must be a 1-to-1 ratio. So at the moment we're at a 0.95 ratio, so we're pretty much balanced with puts and calls, and that's obviously showing you this here in it just as an easy 1-to-1. So at the moment we're 0.95, and it's showing that we're stable. and we were at the bottom of that range, hence why I took that trade. And then I saw all this building up on book maps, and I saw it up to 950, but I pulled out scared early before 900.
Okay, so top of range players down.
So I took $180 SL. Ah, didn't click buy. Look, I would have been TP'd again. I didn't click buy at the bottom of my range. What a fucking
I say we're
idiot.
right at the bottom of the range. I literally walked into it and I was about to also buy. Scare myself like a
I started
motherfucker.
talking to you and I fucking lost
Yeah.
focus on clicking the final
Don't
button.
worry.
Fuck.
But just look back here, like 15 minutes before you had the same pop out retest. So just watch the retest.
Yeah. Bro, I would have taken 2 ticks of drawdown.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw I had a 20-point stop at first when I entered on this 800 down, but I saw things changing on me, so I closed it early.
Good job.
So I lost only like $50 really, plus fees.
Here we go. So retest.
Did you start a poll? Are you a puss?
I can't
That is
vote.
cut funny.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Bro, we've had fucking heaps of viewers. We've had like 13 viewers today or some shit.
Ain't checking us popping up. Alright, I'm got a little retest buy over here that I've just put in now.
This video's already had 3 views. Nice. Say hello, guys. Fucking say hi in chat.
Yeah, look, you and I have exactly the same. We're going to my side there. Literally setting up. Just want to see where the book map's looking.
Asmund Gold's got another clip about Epstein out.
Yeah, but he's been all over it from the beginning.
Oh, yeah.
He's got lots of little clips. He does this little half an hour catch up from his stream. I dig those. Right.
I have got a buy back at the bottom of this range in case we decide to. Man, I wish I had clicked buy. Fuck, you distracted me. I didn't think you'd be back already. Not me. Cost me $300.
But no. Take a look more. Take a look more to 30 minutes, bro. Look at that. What did I tell you? Typical P.O.E.S, bro. Typical P.O.E.S, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were like within a few points of it, but that was typical P.O.E.S nonetheless. Bro. Never sleep on that trade, bro. I have spent more time backtesting that one setup than I have on anything. I have data for days on it, bro. Every angle you could possibly think about. That 30-minute setup on the P.O.E.S is just ungodly. reversal from here. Put this in the book now.
Yo. Very nice.
Guess the Tooth Fairy's making an appearance tonight. What's this new futures trader stuff he's got? Yeah, bro, I'm on my freaking VPN. And it's like messing with my browser tabs.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, I've got a top fan, Ramona Gomes. Wow.
Jeez. Pretty nice done.
Hmm.
Adjust my style for that for each players. There's huge ranges.
Yeah, they're nice. You just got to be patient for the tops and bottoms. It's just a patience game today, bro.
Either that or it's just set limits and walk away, huh?
That's hourly volume now, and then we got London closing soon.
Okay, so we've got potential for this hourly P.O.E.S to set up over here. So that's the candles on the right here, the blue ones. So this one to flick down here, touch, and then you'd have both 30-minute and the hourly P.O.E.S. Those two strong players.
This is my forearm is actually so fucking sore, bro. Keeping it bent at the computer for a while, then trying to straighten it again. Yes.
Them old bones, bro.
We get me a PS5 controller to fucking trade with my round trade away. I'm actually in agony.
Bro, my legs are so cooked from yesterday's session.
Have you got a gym plan you're following at the moment?
Yeah, I mean, I've had so many that I just kind of picked one that I used in the past.
Send me what
It's
you're
like
using at the
yeah,
moment.
sure.
Yeah.
It's just a split days.
Yeah.
It's pretty simple one, like more sort of compound exercise Mondays. Like start the week off with like legs and like full body, and then smash a bro split. Target some shoulders and stuff like that later on. Friday end with some legs, and then Saturday is normally like kettlebells or something like that. I'll never stop kettlebells, bro. As long as you live, just do kettlebells.
Yeah, I love kettlebells. I want to get some. I'll just use them at the gym actually.
But nothing pumping. Well, we've got to pop out of the range on the CDP. Missed my entry there by popped up to 4.5 and it missed me. I was at 4.9, so I was up here at 4.9. This is again just like another little trendy forming, some liquidity down below, building up. As the trend line pumps up, the liquidity just gets more and more and more down below, and so in order for price to go higher, it has to kind of rip through it. That's the theory. It's not my volatility so high. It's like my position size isn't set. It's relatively small. I really want to micro this fucker, bro. But I just know how to end it for this.
Yeah, I need a nice buffer first to get back there. I have to go back to minis.
Sorry.
If I'd taken either one of my trades, I'd be done for the day. If I'd taken one mini on it, it was such good entries.
It's this kind of practice that we're doing here with these funded accounts is really just to get the idea of point to point and not money. We know this, bro. We know the point.
Yeah, exactly.
It's more important.
Yeah. At 800's holding strong at the moment. It's not at one of our levels, but it's a support at the moment.
So this would be again just like another leg up on this trend, up to 850 and then down. Kind of don't want to stop any higher than 460 if you are in this range.
Thinking that 850 down, yeah.
Yeah, just like again, just like a scalpy. So you get the 850 lining up on bookmap. Big sell volume, so we're waiting for it to end. Obviously, this could just flip into buy volume. Yeah, we won't know until the end. But if we get that little pop,
A sell on that CBD on Q's.
well, it's a sell for now, but just give it like a minute till it ends. You see, like the sell turned into the buy. So just be careful of that one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, it went up to the 49.25 and then passed through. Okay, there it passed through now. So
Lots of volume coming in now. There we go.
I get it. But again, I'm stopping out. It's only 10 points. No, I don't want it anymore. I ain't involved with this guy. I'm expecting just that little leg up, down again, and then continuation. So we could even go to the bottom of that candle there.
You're not in, are you?
Yeah, I'm there. I'm there at the moment. But there I'm out. I was only taking the continuation of that range. Nothing more, bro. Nothing more. That was a $40 loss. So again, I'm not playing with the volatility. I'm playing with the fact that this range is going to remain a range. And either we're going to do something like this where it starts to pitter-patter out at some point and then dick down, or dick up, because we're now in positive gamma. Skew is not against us. We have wiped out a lot of this negative. So any selling that was done around this point, the flip zone, has now been done. And we're in the high volume area. So this is where the most amount of connies allegedly are. Maybe you want to pop a little
850 up.
Yeah, I was going to say 852, that's me. So I'll take a stab at 852 if it comes back down. Big buy volumes in a row again on the Qs. Could even take the flip of the candle with things below, stops below, but it's not really my style.
860's getting some love on book maps. Yeah. Oh, I'm nearly in. You should be in there.
Nah, it's on 53. It hasn't passed through it. That's why I'm not in. Okay. Yeah, I'm in. I'm just trying to catch this early for this little ride back up here. We'll look to tap onto the 929, but again, I'm very, very cautious of something like this happening. So, I just don't want to be on the wrong side of that too hard, but we'll go up to 922 if we can get it. So that's happening in literally on the bottom. It couldn't have been more.
870, 880 on book maps. Nice. You watch a trade, I'll watch book maps. 855, getting some love again. Oh, actually.
870. So we've just broken that high now, so this is where my stops go to kind of the candle low. I don't want to see it rip back down.
880, and all liquidity's disappeared. 860's building up, 865. Back up to 880.
So stops the break even here. We're just going to go look to get to the top of that range again. And that should get us back.
Bad on that 900, bro. 900 at...
Yeah, 900 might be the one. So we'll target 900 over there. That'll give us 45 points. That's more than enough. I'll take below this candle here just to get into this range again. I'm at break even, so it's either going to run to 24,899.
Yeah, old brother, we got big balls. We got big balls here.
Big balls for sure.
On your minis, on your micros.
Micros make big balls.
Those big puffed balls, mate.
Yeah, so we just this isn't a trend line, it's just something that I drew to demonstrate what could potentially be there. But again, I'm back. I'm looking for this just a pop off here to the 900. Maybe we can get a ride up there. I'm at break even here because we broke that previous up and I'm almost out. I'll take it a little bit down to the bottom of that can. I don't want to be stopped up or nothing here. Doing 2 accounts yet, so that, and I'm out at break even now, so that's exactly what I was hoping or expecting potentially to happen there. So we're at the bottom, so this would be a ride back up if you're so inclined. A lot of sell volume coming in, so like I said, that was kind of what I was waiting for.
Yeah, and it's breaking
to happen like that.
Breaking lows there.
Yeah, it's exactly what I was not expecting, but thinking could happen. So I would take a pop up here to 24,850.
850's building up above now, so it could be potential resistance.
So I'm gonna try that.
This is coming back. I reckon we're coming back down for this 800 at least, potentially.
What time
10 past.
Yeah, we're not near the half an hour.
Yeah, no, another 20 minutes. I'm gonna have a bong time.
Cool, cool, cool.
Yeah, it's gonna be cool going through my trades tomorrow on this YouTube video.
It's so much better having the stream, and I know it sucks the stream, but it's like it's better.
And like you hear me talking on there, talking about what a pussy I am because I pulled out early instead of at the 800 on my first trade. I'm like, fucking no. I literally got tapped out. I put my TP, I was trailing my TP, my stop loss, sorry. And it like came down like 3 ticks past it where I had it and then shot up anyways. I'm like, fuck you. But it was still 38 points or something. 30 points? 38 points. I was happy with that. With a 20 point stop loss on that one. So it's a 2 to 1.
Yeah, I just
pretty much.
I just took a quick short on that. So I'm shorting this. I'm basically trailing it at the moment. Give me a second, so I'll put it on stream. Trailing it even further. I'm at 811, 800.
Are you on that short? Nice, bro. Fuck, nice.
So I took that short there from the 838 down to the 805s. That short over there.
Yeah, I would tap out on that.
So I'm out of that already.
And then was that 800 profit?
Excuse me, sir?
Oh, you're talking about the 800 level. I thought you said.
Yeah.
I thought you were meaning you were at $800. I was like,
the volatility is fucking really fucking with my position size today. But I caught the top of that candle there. Reason for that trade for future me, just checking that sell volume coming into it, that CVD over there. We're at the top of this call wall. Again, I kind of just alluded to the fact that we'd get some sort of trend down here before either a pop-up or a continuation. And then we exited even below there on the wick, from wick to wick. Oh, man. Good job.
man.
Quick little scalp here. And I would have been...
Yeah, that's a boost big stop loss. Or is that not what you had?
No, sir. Over the top of the wick. Because this thing came up first. This was again like a type of typical P.O.E.S play where you've got a pivot line here, an M30 below it, touch, go. So... You can always wait for these to come back. This, in fact, here again, just another fucking example of it. You have that trend building up, all this liquidity underneath. So each time here, this thing comes down to tap, and it pops up like that. Dumbass motherfuckers within their first 2 years of trading are all going long at this point. And it goes up, and they're all so super happy, and then comes all the way down, and they're like, shit, either they're at break even, or the next group of like retards come in, and it's just like retards build, and then enough's enough games, and then this comes down here, takes everybody else out, or takes all the retards out, only to continue in exactly the same direction. So that was me 2 years ago, the retard. Shit. And this happens without you knowing about things, and it's not like, again, not that I'm trading, you trading, anyone's trading trend lines, but these are good visual aids to see what points in the market you can see plonkers starting to pile in. If you're trying to get
100%.
wrong, yeah, exactly. Like, I'm a dumbass here. The reason why I tried this long is different because here it popped over my thing with volume, whereas there, look at this volume here on the Qs. That pop over.
A good visual aid to see when you're in a wedge or in a just in a trend and you see it breaks, you're like, oh, this could be a change of character here or whatever, you know.
Yeah, and if you're managing positions, this is a great way to know when to start thinking of changing. Like, okay, when do I go BE if it breaks that?
I might take a little.
take a shorty? Or
Stab at the shorty because
no shorty there.
book maps just disappeared.
It's
Yeah, we might get a
8:50 to
pop through here
8:30.
first.
8:50 to 8:30. So you could get that 8:50 to 8:30 from here to here. No, from here to here. It's a quick little scalpy, and you got it. There it is.
Yeah, no,
8:50
again,
to
I'm too
8:30.
late.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice 20 pointer there. That would have been the range play. Exactly.
And this range is going to squeeze, and I bet.
Yeah, exactly. That's
Yep.
why I didn't take it, because I wasn't sure if it's going to break. Because it disappeared very quickly on book maps too.
Let's just have a look here at our fixed range. So we'll go to market open.
Bells are coming in strong.
Yeah, look at that. We're right at the high of the volume. So here is where you'd want a shorty. If you're gonna shorty here. But that's up to you. I gotta see something negative happen to the kind of like that.
That's stacking up again on book maps.
There it is. So we're building.
That was-
building more.
that-
building more.
That was the world's quickest loss.
Did you do that? Yeah, but that was me yesterday, bro. I got that on the screen. That's funny.
It took me out. I should enter again. Damn it.
Nah, be careful, bro. Be careful. Just chill now. Just chill.
Yeah, you're right.
Just chill. Just chill. This could be the next thing.
Yes, is that touched my price, bro. I bought in on 849. I sold. So if I'd gone on 850, I would have been in this trade still. Yes, that's my bro. Could have at least gone BE. Or pulled out at that 1-to-1. Yeah. You live and you learn.
This could be coming down anyway, like I said.
Mm.
850, 830 again. So you got more 20 points there. Coming into my favorite time. It's 4:20 here in sunny England, where the sun never stops shining. It's always sunny. It's rained every single day where I stay since the beginning of the year. Oh, I see your,
Bro, you see my tick?
yeah, I see it, bro.
Look at
that.
Yo.
Risk management, risk management.
Yeah. If I had gone a tick higher, I would be in your. I actually didn't realize I wasn't on 850, to be fair. I should have checked that. Fuck me. That's alright. All the fucking probabilities. Minutes to London Clues.
So what's the likely play today? Let's have a look at the 4 hour. It's just pretty much.
4 hours bullish at the moment.
Well, it's a top wick. 2.5 hours to go, bro. It's a hell of a top wick.
Yeah, you're right.
Same with the hourly, no bottom wick on the previous hourly. I've got an indicator that I wrote myself specifically just to test the theory of do most candles end with tops and bottom wicks, and the higher up the time frames you go, it becomes so marginal how many candles don't have a bottom or a top wick, and you can just like kind of visually eyeball it as you go through it. Everything's got a top and a bottom wick. Every now and then you see one in 10. Yeah.
Right.
they'll come in little bits, but yeah, it's generally not during New York. Anyway, so this hour
What about
started with
TP?
a top wick. Well, this hour started with a top wick, and now it's coming down. Potentially make that bottom wick for the 4 hour coming down here.
And then we
Again,
take the 725 long again. That would be our next play on the half an hour.
I agree with that. So
Or the hour.
Sell volume obviously coming down. We would have something like this building.
Is this? The 800's building up. Hopefully that holds, pushes down, and we get a nice pump for London. S&T up here too. On. I need to do this indicator again and add. Size. Normal. Oh, it doesn't go bigger.
Right in the middle of the ship right here.
Yeah. There we go, breaking that.
Port. Not a confident break here. It didn't break CBDs for nothing, bro.
Yeah,
Nothing there, particularly.
this last 5 minutes can be vicious sometimes. Like this last 15 minutes, like quarter past to half past, is just sometimes crazy.
Scope is up.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds.
So look at book maps, look at the CVP, and see the 300 contracts there still. So we need to, like, that obviously means something. We need to figure this out. That's the chart. That's how many contracts interacted on that level that are currently showing on the chart. That's what it is. So those should, in theory, disappear in the next, the 300 should disappear in the next fucking minute. If this is true. Hopefully price doesn't get back there before, so we can test this. Yeah, the 300's gone. Okay, cool. So that is correct. Oh no, it's back. What? It's changing and price isn't there.
Because people are taking off their orders, off the order book.
Yeah, but I thought it's a chart volume profile is what it's called. So I thought, I'm assuming chart volume profile, it's showing you the volume currently on the chart that's being displayed. So if you zoom out, those numbers should spread up and down more where price was, like a volume profile would. So it makes no sense to me that they're changing when price isn't interacting with those levels.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering.
Hmm.
Hold tight. Can't make moves collide. Hold tight, hold tight.
Did get that retest I wanted.
Paint the skies, all because of you.
Little sculpt at the bottom that's wicked out before it continues. I just took this one here to start it. Got wicked out by this one here. 10 points. Still lining up here for this short again from Edge City.
Those 300 contracts on that CVP's gone, so yeah, fuck knows what that is. Sure, that's a big push into that though. Yes.
Yeah, it's a lot of volume too. Again, this is the same thing as earlier when I saw this volume break and then I took this long from here.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back.
Yeah, it's not a lot of sell in that.
Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Take you like a pill.
I want to get in an A again or short from here. See what the sort of volume on this push down is. This might be a nice retry on the long. Never trust those dojis with that volume. You never know which side it was.
Yeah.
That little shitty cell volume gets me excited. Nice little end of something here. So push higher would be trying to get into that early with a push up to, is there anything on the book map? No.
At 60, it looks like it's liquidity building below again.
Oh, we're really at 660, so that's where we are. It's just a travel back down, or we bust that sort of thing, or we see where we are. So this is kind of how I like to see it. Two smalls, big buy, two small sells, relative buy. Again, it's the top of the range, you never quite know. Let's take the 5 minute for an example and see what's up. 5 minute, perfect. 5 minutes looking perfect. Wanna run that sucker. But of course, always
Yeah.
a piece like that. But what are we? These 602 range. So 602 is a struck there. That's a nice little 602 to me. I like that. So 602. 602 are wicked.
750 down there's 100 contracts.
602 is 603. 603 is what? 750. Back up to the 50s. And then a push back up. That was like the wick for liquidity there. Let's see. Jumped in at that 830. See on the old trail here high. Okay, let's take that 830.
Being a long after that bottom week.
Yeah, I took as it wicked down like that. I took the 830 back up to the 850. Still just like a relative looking all day. There's nothing. It's excited again. It's pushing up. 5 minutes finishing nicely here on the cues. Very interesting area. Let's see what the old stream of Gex is telling us. Okay, so we're in a little bit of a positive zone as expected. All the way up to 605 is a slightly positive zone. Dealers along here. Markets, yeah, they've enough people are underwater here for this thing to go back up. We got 850 building from left. Okay, and then we've got stuff building up above at the 885s. 900 not getting hit yet. It's just the 885s thus far, 880s. So scalps on the cards up. We've got 950 building below.
750.
Yeah. There we go.
750, you mean?
750. Yeah. No, 24,850. 24,875.
You're looking up there, right? You said 9 something. 850, yeah.
People want to bounce off of. Kind of leans up to the node there. So lots of volatility in the air. Taking those levels out heavily quickly on a little too quickly on the book map, to be honest.
The above disappeared.
Everything just vanishes.
Yeah.
So that's the 8:30. Sorry, this 4:30 in London. So London closed here. This was the close.
Yeah. Yeah, 4 minutes ago.
This was the close. That was actually that bottom wick was the London. So
See, this is still rangy. So this, I mean, we should be betting on short back down to a 750 or 800 minimum.
he's not betting on it. It's just kind of looking what the market's giving you. Seeing what's up. Here you got to end on a doji for London. And the doji was a skip appeal on the 5 minutes. So kind of makes sense that London sold out of its shorts. Oh, sorry, bought out of its shorts. Right here at the liquidity. Full wall. Let's see it pop back up here. Okay, 850, this is the holding zone. You gotta think that if it holds this 850, it's going back up to like 900.
Yeah. Yeah.
If it doesn't hold this 850, then it's coming probably down again to make the next leg. Lower high. That's at the 850.
Yeah, 850 keeps filling up on book maps. So.
Yeah.
Iceberg play.
Yeah, I got the 60 love. I didn't get the 50 love. I got the 60 love here. $75, $85 getting strikes.
On TradeAway, switch accounts to show your trader on Trading View. Switch accounts so it shows your trades.
Yes. I'll do that now. It's actually just on the wrong one. I'm in the right account, just on the the right login, just the wrong account.
Yeah, I know. I figured that.
Patience plays are on the cards. Like the 90s, 70s, the 90s.
850 getting tested again. Again, CBD is not. Never mind. CBD is going blue. Yep, that printed blue. 850 is now resistance.
There's a blue push,
No.
like a water part. There was a blue water part here on the 1 minute on the queue, so that's still a very long signal for me.
Yeah, that shows the push down exhausted.
Correct, yeah. But you never know. So
840 building up.
840 building a lot, and 35s. Just gotta manage this with this like bigger stop losses.
On Discord now, I've set the music bot so that when you go to that voice channel chat, it's got like play and pause buttons and shit now as well.
70's getting love, 80's getting love. See if we can push up to the 900s here. And we see the 900s finally getting a bit of love on the book map. Of course, I need to take the gold for the peak. 90's getting love. 80's getting love with 20 points. We're bringing that deficit for the day down, boys. Not that we had much. We only had half an hour down for the day, which is absolutely ridiculous. I'm just going to treat this trading week as learn to be on stream. 90s, 900s getting more love. I've got mine at 898. I don't want to do anything silly. Let's just see what's up. We're above the no, we are at the previous day's point of control. So the most volume traded for yesterday was at this level. You'd expect it to be here for a while, as a lot of these players unwind.
Positive CVD balance. Put calls are evening out. They're 99 now. 0.99.
More liquidity and some sort of obscure random trend line. true to form, so there's nothing to look at or note on the CBD. It's doing what price is doing. Is it? No, it's not. CBD
Push it
hasn't
down
even
slightly,
broken
but
out. No, but on the 1 minute, the Qs, the CBD hasn't even broken out of that swing high that it made earlier. It's like kind of just trickled down and stayed there. So range play on the cards again, probably a range play down, or a pop back up. Oh, obviously, pop back up or a range play down, but kind of favoring the range play down now. Let's just see how it reacts here at the 50 marks again. At the 40s, 50s, that's kind of where nothing on the book map. Everyone's hiding their winkies. No big swinging dicks in the markets. As soon as the 900 just like touched some light, we had the price spiking. Still got hope here.
yeah, no. Looking good. Look at book maps. We've got 920, 27 contracts, 930, 25 contracts, 940, 12 contracts, 950, 35.
It's one of the gauges that we use.
This is looking like your typical push back up anyways, you know.
Whoa, look at the 880s get lit up again there. Holy moly. Okay. 880s are not looking hard for pushing through. I think for brevity I'm going to go to 52 from 62. So we'll see what we can do here with the 70s. Push through 70s. Push through 70s.
You're good, bro.
80s.
You get a 900 pop.
Let's get the 900 pop in and see what's up here. I think at this point with that pop I'm going to go break even.
It's building up on book maps now, bro. 900. You're looking fucking good.
I'll go to the 9.7 because we don't like round numbers here.
907.
No, 897.
Yeah.
897. I'll pop this back up. I'm already 20 points in the green. So we're at break even now.
880s.
Yeah, I can see the
building up.
880. 870. So this thing breaks 870. It actually makes sense now to go break even. If it breaks that 870, that's where the liquidity is. So almost at that pop up. 14 points to go. It's gonna make me stress for it, of course. Why would it be easy? If trading was easy, everyone would fucking do it.
Yep.
So we just can't break
Gym.
604.
The gym's easier, no one does it.
That's true. So can't break the 604. We're gonna need a heavy pop here. If it does pop, it's gonna pop off like
you
a
got
rap
it.
video.
You got it coming. Once you get this 93, 94, you'll get it. Yeah, here we go.
I'm up to the 90s. I'm gonna take that 90s up, and we got it.
95, you'll pop. Yeah, there you go.
We got it there. So that was from the 82s up to the 900s. We just took that there. It's just building, and again, it's because my stop is so easily managed with the wick like that, and a major call wall here. All I had to really think about was like how far down was I willing to take pain at this point, and for me, I was only willing to take just under. So that was from there up to the 897. I think I'm gonna be a lot more loosey-goosey. Feels easier and more natural to be loosey-goosey than rigid. So we're at even for the day.
900. 920 building up.
Yeah. How much do I have distance to draw down? Okay, so I'm at full distance to draw down on this account again. So I'm gonna go back to the minis, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna be taking trades like I am now on this one. I'll probably swap accounts and just wait for something bigger, and then take my one mini for the day here. Ooh. Let's give me 1 sec. Hit a bomb and peek.
Nothing on book maps. We got volume in 10 minutes. Still the value area low of the week too. Fuck. That's not looking thick anywhere down low. I'm gonna take another little stabby stab here. DPR here as well. V shapes out of that motherfucker. Yeah. Got another 850 retest coming there, madre. Yeah, that's fucking cool. You got my screen on.
Yeah.
See if we get another 850 retest. And praises that inflation is going down.
This is Trump.
Yeah. Trump's speaking to reporters at the White House. I love financial juice, bro. I listen to that dude all the time. It's so good. Just little snippets over the night, you know? shocking warning. Goldman Sachs has put a warning out. What the fuck?
Everyone's putting a warning.
Those, what are those money hungry cunts want?
Bruh, everyone's been warning us for fucking years, bro.
No.
I just took Warren Buffett's advice, bro. Never bet against America.
Mm-hmm.
Never bet against America. Maybe in my children's lifetime, but not mine. America spends as much on their national defense as the rest of the world combined every year. And they have been doing for like 40 years. Think about that. How far advanced would you be if you spent as much as everyone else combined for 40 years straight? You'd be pretty advanced.
Yeah. Trump says if we have a deal, we'll be leaving soon.
Right, we are setting up for the M30 P.O.E.S on this second core wall. Let's see, is there anything on the actual P.O.E.S? No, it's not anything on the actual P.O.E.S. Let's have a look what is here. Let's have a look at the daily P.O.E.S. We've got everything selected, so we're not even near York.
Ishma, bro.
Okay, so 602, 603, that's your homie. We all know that. It's clearly fucking marked here. 603 is your homie. Let's have a little look.
VIX is on the daily push, which is also HVL. Yummy.
Hold on, I got freaking family coming in, bro.
Who's that, Rogie? Oh, whoops.
Nah. Not that old chestnut.
I gotta go corner man for a fight on Sunday. Yeah. Trump says they're negotiating right now for Greenland.
Oh, man. We don't play games. We want your country. Okay, 24,852. I'm gonna look for a long at 24,852. I'm gonna
890. Look at that lighting up on it was. I think this is going up to 920 from here.
It could do. Yeah, 100% right. It could do. But I'm gonna take a rather.
Not 890 again.
It would be the typical P.O.E.S, and you would want to take it all the way up to. What's this? Friday. Oh, it says Friday on my chart now. What indicator is that now? Like, who the fuck doesn't know what day it is? Anyway. Let's have a little dibble, shall we?
Yeah, there we go. CBD is low. Price is pushing up. Bullish divergence.
Oh, this is gonna push up the daily P.O.E.S before. Oh my gosh, dude, we could get the almighty typical daily P.O.E.S. Yo, should we be so blessed today, bro? This thing pops up now with a vicious.
What on the cues?
Be prepared, bro. Yeah. Right at 6:05:30.
I've not got the push on. That's why. Yeah, there we go.
What?
Oh no, I do.
So
I've got
this would
pre-market.
be
Yeah,
the
we're almost there.
Bruh, Bro, look at this. Look at this. This is how crazy this shit's gonna get, bro. If it taps that sucker, bro, and carries on, we're gonna see a pop to where's the push T1. Look where T1 is. Imagine
Yes,
that.
yes.
Imagine that.
Yo.
That's your play, bro. That's the play for the day if you're taking the typical push. 40-point stoppy for a 243 winner. So, you never know. It's Friday afternoon. Shit can get squirrely. Trump's talking. I'm just saying. We've been leg all
500
week.
is lighting up too.
Dealers have got to do their thing at this stage to try and offset all the absolute...
The whole week's fuck ups, yeah.
Exactly. I still think that's a bit aspirational, so maybe down to your high volume would be like more respectable. Up to your first call resistance is probably what you're looking for. So that's 100 squirrelies away.
Your next high volume node for the Qs for this week is up at 608.39 to be exact.
Okay, 6-8, and that's precisely what I'm looking for. Yeah, 25.055.
Which is our highest call resistance today too. So
But
yeah.
but of course you can always get the reverse happening and
Coming back down to 600.
correct. You could. I mean, we all know this before the stream starts, but those would be my two potentials for now, depending on how we look.
2 minutes to volume.
This is
Right.
the big potential. We'd have to get a pop up within 2 minutes.
Typical push on the 900, bro.
850. I got it at 852.75. That's my entry. $852 to $946. We'll see. Put a 30 pointer. So it's 24,852. Yeah, so I've got it identical to where I have it now. Let's see. Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Wagwan, good boy. Alright, let's see if we can get a continuation play, taking out a bundle of people in the process. If we can get that continuation play, that'll be respectable to, yeah, just over the tops there as well. So that's an 80 pointer. Well, 93, but we'll go 80. Yeah, it's setting up. Let's see, 5 o'clock in England. And
Is the music not playing on the stream?
it is.
Can't hear it. I think it's too quiet.
Is it? I'll check it out now. Let's just see what happens here. Okay, so we've hit.
You can't hear you on the stream neither.
What do
Oh
you
no,
mean?
you can. There you can.
Let's see. 24,852. What is the book map saying now?
900's getting love. 880 now.
2,500 is the only thing right now that's sucking price too. So here would be the bottom of that trendy. Look at this thing. It's just like setting up. All this liquidity building up here, bro. Yeah. There's where a lot of people are going to be unhappy. So
Q's had a lot of sells, and that's still that. Look at CVD's flat. Oh,
that
piss
shows
quick
we.
too.
Yeah, do your thing. I want to see that. This is a good sign over here. You see this flattening out of the CVD. It's not really busting through anything. Here was the kind of swing. Price is respecting it. So it's exactly the same here. It's mirroring price. What you don't want to see is this thing busting down here. It's kind of like showing you where the market's trying to go. But this thing seems to be respecting trend lines today. Irrespective of what you trade in the world, if you're not looking at what everyone else is doing as well, then you're kind of missing out on something. It's more of a art than a science. in my eyes. Every
Yeah.
quant in this world hating me. Every single quant in this world hating me. That's okay.
Yeah. Knowledge and then the science to it.
The application is. There's plenty of people
The
as
hardest.
fit as Ronaldo in this world, but only one Ronaldo.
Oh, I've been needing to sneeze for fucking ages. Oh, I think I'm getting the fucking flu or something, bro.
Bro, is that double sickness that's going around at the moment, dude? It's crazy. Have you had it yet? Where you get sick, you're pretty sick, you got like flu, and then it goes away, and then like a week later, bro, you get even worse sick.
No.
Bro. Yeah, it slapped even dudes that I work with in like Turkey and stuff. They're double sick. It's a thing.
Doubly sick.
Yeah, so two potential modes of travel. One being there, one being there. They don't really change much. But let's see. I'm really wanting to see this get smashed out here, even potentially low. This thing could even bust down to like here, where it's come down before. In fact, I would probably take the biggest trade of my day at 24/7 to 10. But this thing just seems to be not.
Yeah, if it came back down there, I'd chuck a mini on it.
Yeah, bro, it's not even giving a fuck. It's just that trend line going, bro. Some weeks this shit does never even happen, but some weeks it just never stops.
Bruh, this is a trend line of from fucking hell.
No, bro.
All the way from the bottom there, Jesus Christ, man.
I mean, again, you could draw shit over anything. Like, the human brain is literally wired to see patterns and everything. That's why, like, acid is so fun, bro. Strange but true. That's what a guy told me.
Fucking indeed is fun.
Yeah. Still love that Bill Hicks segment where he's like, I heard this guy took acid and died trying to fly. He's like, good. What idiot tries to start from the top? Why wouldn't you try to take off from the bottom? It's like, yeah, true, bro. Why would you start at the top? Why would you have to do that? Birds can fly from the ground.
That's so true. You didn't have to start in a position that would kill you.
Yeah, why? Why risk it? One less idiot. He's gonna kill himself anyway.
That is gak funny, my bro. That is gak funny.
Absolute nothing burger of a close. See again, just check on my screen there. Look how many times, if you had in a not an well, I suppose it is obvious, right? In an obvious
We've
trend
had
like
8
this.
people view this stream too. Fucking nice.
Nice. But check
Since
out what
it's
I'm saying.
restarted.
If you had just bought every single week sell in this trend, you would have made money. You know what I mean? It's like, because each of these pops is 20 points, 20 points, 20 points, 20 points, 20 points. So we've got to be more adaptable.
But you only see that in hindsight, you know what I mean?
No, we're not. I'm looking at it right now. I'm literally looking at it happen. I'm explaining it to you, and I knew that would come up, which is why I said it like that, in a non-dick way. But it's like what the main point I'm trying to bring here is, you don't want to rigidly be in a system where it has to be either trending or ranging or whatever. Like, you've got to be adaptable, bro. You got to play in the
100%.
rain. Yeah, bro. You got to be able to play in the rain and in the sunshine and in the fucking altitude and all that shit, bro.
And that's why I can't stick to a bias for like over the whole day, because it doesn't stay that way. There's reversals all the time.
There's no way to play it at all. You get to choose. I mean, again, anyone that's watching and for you as well, Club, is Iron trading, bro. That dude, that guy like nails it for me with the way he explains it all, bro. His whole style is what does he call it? Categorical trading. The cat system. Categorical trading, where it's either ranging or trending, and then he adjusts his style on the fly for that.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we'll basically what he's saying is is price more likely to move to a new area, or is price more likely to stay where it's been? And that's how he starts his day, and that's how he keeps the session. He only trades for like 13 minutes. So, and he trades on the 22nd. And he's had like 30 payouts or something like that. So he's good, bro. He's really good. He is legit. If there's anyone out there, it's Iron Man Trading. So let me just quickly go do some daddy stuff. I'll be back.
Yeah, net dex is, Gex is down there. Oh, this is a level. What is this? What level's that at?
Finally, we're getting some resistance and something. Maybe we'll get a pullback.
Yeah, so our next 9:30, this is the next level on the Gex.
Right.
And then 9:15 will be the one after that,
It's my last
which is
bit of-
also the highest dex.
Check, bro. Check on screen. My last bit of gold song, bro. Believe me.
Oh, me and Razor are gonna go get some Buddha Vorse this weekend, bro.
There we go. Got some rejection. This is good. Potential short area.
This is also the high of the day. This is also the high of the day. Of the New York day.
Yeah.
Oh, the overall day. Yeah, sweet. Interesting. Very interesting point this is now. Oh, fuck, I'm getting hungry.
I'm eating good. Rejections. Weak buy. Really good opportunity to sell. Stops only 10 points away. I'm gonna attempt it. So I took that short there. Got stops just over the top here, so let me just put that on screen. What is it? 925.25. I've got a very small stop, so nothing for me. Here we'll take it down to like that, and that's exactly where it is. I don't need to move it. It's 885. It's not about being right or wrong. Remember, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take.
Mm-hmm.
And I prefer to be in early than try and catch it on the way down with some sort of whatever else. But this is risk management at its finest. 50 for 200. I don't even think this is 50. Respected the trend line, sure, yeah. And that's it, that's me. 10.25, which was, I'll tell you now, 46.
Liquidity's building above, all the way up to 5,000 now.
Just tend to that weak bar. Just put a note there.
It's 950 building up as well.
One thing's for sure. Even though this is going up, I would not want to be in this freaking buy, dude. Oh, this is painful, bro. Okay,
Yeah, I know, it's very slow.
We're right at the daily P.O.E.S. Strong buy through the daily P.O.E.S. Oh, that's what I want to see. Volume. Okay, so again, I'll attempt this at 9:30.
For a long of the push.
Yeah. I want to see a weak pullback though. That's the typical. You need to see that weak pullback. Couple little checkpoints here. Trouble breaking back. Interesting. If it breaks back, and again, this can form resistance here. The next candle, there's the bearish candle, and then the next one with the track down. But like Rocket Scooter predicting volume, look at the daily P.O.E.S, bro. Look at that volume over
930.
everything.
930 retest might be on the cards here. Rejection on that. I'm in on that 930 long.
Yeah, got it on screen.
Yeah, it's gonna be painful if it goes up. The trend line, so as well.
Yeah.
If that was a thing.
strictly speaking, this is too early. This is not a good trade, but it's
Yeah.
a level just below it. Got a lot of love at 2,500 on the book map.
Yeah.
A few reasons why you should be interested.
Yeah, with all that buy volume in there, that was looking really good.
There's just too many buyers right now, dude. This is the only thing that's scary, bro. Is when this shit starts building like this. There's too many buyers here, bro. This is the better thing. 24,850, bro. I might jump out of break even here just because of that.
Are you in?
Yeah, I mean, and I'm appropriately sized so that it doesn't hurt. But
Yeah, mine's only
yeah,
$60
my
or
second will
something.
be
Yeah.
24,850, or even better. Yeah, 24,725. Just because so much shit has been built up here. This is like full of shit here, bro. And this is exactly what you would expect, like now to happen, bro. There's a dump. Every signal that I like to see, except for no close above.
Yes. That was a drastic fucking change in
It's
thing
a
out there.
daily push, bro. It's a daily push, bro. There's a reason why we used to have the rule: the first touch is the shorts if it's from the bottom.
Yeah.
But the thing is, like, can you apply that to all days? So here I'd say it's almost certainty SL because of all this shit being built up here. Near certainty. Volume is completely on your side, though. Lack of.
No, I'm tapped out.
Oh, cool. No. Aside
$60.
Yeah, I'll get tapped out of like maybe 100. But
I'm
if
just
else-
BE for the day, so
I was also BE for the day. I'm gonna be like half an hour. But again, this is what I'd expect to see. Too early in here, maybe a little bit too fucking boisterous because it's been so boring.
yeah, I think so. I think that's part of it. It's been a boring, slow night.
Really grindy, and it's gonna grind
been a good-
everyone else here that's gone long. Everyone's gone break.
It's been a entertaining stream though.
Awesome. Here's the big push down. Again, lack of volume anywhere. You never know, but still, I'm. If I was a betting man like I am, 10 minutes till something major could play out. You could have. Oh, you're out already.
Yeah. That put me at BE for the day. I was looking for a 900 touch again, but didn't come down enough for me. I had the right fucking idea again. Jesus
Nah, you did,
Christ,
bro.
man.
You just gotta widen that shit, bro.
There was an 18-point stop loss already.
I know it's what's the Vixie on?
Yeah, big.
That's big.
ATR's only 8.
Yeah, so Vix is pretty high. You've gotta widen your shit there. And this is again nothing more to this other than experience, bro. This is the experience of trading. In days like this, where you've got that very high VVIX, very high VIX, it's decreasing, and that you can see that in the price action. It's decreasing.
Here's this pop. I wanted.
That
Fuck me, bro.
970 was kind of where you want to be at. That's what the book map is showing us. But
So
2500
25-point stop loss would have been the go.
Again, you can't be rigid with it in that sort of size. What I would say is like, look at it here. How did I
Go
choose the 30
structurally.
points?
Go at the lows.
Well, there's a few reasons why I particularly and purposefully went for this, in this case, at 30 points, because 24,900. In fact, I'm sitting just under 24,900. So, psychological number, if it breaks through all this shit, it's likely coming down. It can still come down, obviously. But, yeah, that's 30 points already in the profit. Yeah, 33 in the profit already. And that puts me into profit for the day. Do I want to be in profit for the day? A little bit? No. I want to be a lot of profit for the day. So my own target that I would like to hit, rather, I'd rather take a BE, is here, 25.07. Sevens seem to be the numbers, bro. Go look at every scammer price you've ever seen in your life. It's always ending in a 7. So, in the spirit of going from point to point, I refuse to take profit here. Let's have a look at the Gex stream quickly. I've got to be out anyways in like 7 minutes, just over 7 minutes. I've got to be out. Got football. But
We tested the daily push on the queues. We got liquidity at building up on 9:45 on book maps,
there we go. So
which
that
is
would-
on
that
the
would be-
push.
It's on the push, you know what I mean? So that's the long. But 7 minutes from now, what do we got on the 6:05 is still very hit. That's over here. So 24, 9:35 potential to come down there. But that would be a strong bounce, and then 6:07, right up here where I want to exit. That's the next resistance, because what that means is the marketplace is so positioned to be under here that all of them would have to be doing so much buying to cover up here, and hence why you see the flip. So let's have a look here on each. But on the buyers and the marketplace side, 6:05. Where are we? 6:05, 6:07. Yeah, they're in the money here. They're in the money there. Dealers are in the money there. Makes sense to be up here. Again, 6:16 looks very, very healthy. 6:16 is a shitstorm up there. But you've been all neg all week. Bruh, it's not going to 6:16. My shit doesn't even go that high. 25,350. Yeah. I mean,
660 on what?
What? I said 25,350. There's no chance it'll go up there, bro. That's kind of a little bit less than what your target should be here. Again, your target should be. Yeah.
You're still in this, eh? I might take. Should I? Do you reckon? No, let's retest this.
You have to take it on the low volume. If it's high volume, then no. I mean, again, I don't.
Yeah.
I'm willing to rather take this. So I'm just trying to get this. My mouse is too sensitive. 25, 7 points to 50. Yeah, there's the daily push playing out. And it can happen in and around the 30-minute candle. So here you want to see the low volume. So big push down here. So this is basically the final bit of dudes, in theory, having to do their flips on some of these options contracts as the things tick over. We're right in the middle of a strike. So there's a lot of action happening here. It makes more sense to come back down to 29,36. Yeah. Like basically my entry again. What is my entry? Why is my entry up there? It's 36, yeah. There. So that's my entry there. Yeah. And 7. No, it's 9, but same. Willing to take a strike on that. Whole strike distance. So again, like stop loss positioning here and placements and size and all that stuff is a lot of factors in here. The round numbers, the strike distance. You know, we're in the positive gamma now. We're not, are we? I suppose we are. And you're right.
Negative transition.
Negative transition. Okay, here's really setting up sexy on the cues.
Yo, bro.
This is everything you want to see. The low volume there. That was kind of your, like, maybe you should go for it. This one that just passed now. If we end positive or something, it's like, you know what I mean? I think if this ends positive.
70 on book maps, looking pretty good. That sell volume dropped right off too. It's not a big buy push here. Yep, there we go.
Half an hour coming up.
Trump stopped talking, so the market is safe.
Dude just said that, right?
Yet.
Yes, you have to say that.
My bro. What the fuck?
This thing is
Doge.
literally made to screw the most amount of people over. The whole thing is structurally engineered to fuck the most over. It's a zero-sum game. Nice CBD recovery. I like that.
That's looking very positive
Bigger
there.
buy. Bigger buy. That could be a sell. Yep. Could be coming. Whoa. Flips. Right at the last. To make things look pretty. Okay. You're at average volume. So like my back testing was pretty basic. All I was really caring about was the amount of volume in it. Anything like massively over like this sort of volume and stuff like that. That's what I cared about. But then when you had things like this where monster volume into nothing, that's like a and then it like chills out. So here you've got average. Now it should start to pick up like that. That's what you want to see the volume do now. But anything can happen. I've got to be out in the next 5 minutes. So. There we go. So there's your M30 POES. Let's see what it is today. It's a very, very high volume or expected volume time in a volatile day. So expect pivots to overshoot. I mean, we could again see the wipeout of all of this liquidity down here. Everything that's been building all day, you can see this get wiped out in one fucking candle right over here. So be very careful about it. I was already in a position prior to when this thing started, but it's a good example of if it works. It'll always be a good example if it works, right? But
in that trend line for some reason.
exactly. Who knows why these things do this, but these things seem to do this, bro. Which is why I put them here, because it's always interesting. We're on the wrong side of it though, so if you, and again, you could just draw this for your eyes to look like that. You're welcome to as well. In that case, we're on the trend line. If you draw it the other way, we're actually now taking the bottom of the trend line and going down. It just depends on how you see it. Come on, man, do something. So we're in a transition phase.
Nvidia's on an uptrend now. Everything's sort of going up. Apple's the only one stagnant.
So again, these guys, so the marketplace itself wants to be above 605. Then dealers themselves want to be above 606. Then the market wants to be above 607. Each one of these can be little pops down, pops down, pops down. But ultimately, continuations looks more likely all the way up to, and I hate to say it, 614,
2500.
Well, way past 2500, bro. We're talking 25.3 something, bro. So the market wants to be at like 25.3 something, bro. And here's the volume we're looking for. I saw a little flicky there. That was good. So this is a big, strong buy. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Love to see it, homies. Love to see it. If you took the daily P.O.E.S, you should, and you took it with size, you should be very happy with yourself, bro. That's 30 points right there. Ultimately, what you want to see though on the daily P.O.E.S, on the typical P.O.E.S, because that's what that is high volume to high volume. So 606 was no real volume, hence why I'm looking for this. I'm going for glory at 25007 because I'm like that, bro. I'm fucking scaly, bro.
007.
I'm a fucking squally, bro. So we're going for a little squally move up there, but you know, 2 days in a row, it's taken me out on positions like this, only for me to catch it later in the day, like an hour later, before market closes. Here we go. Equal fight back at 606. What did I say? Each one of those pivots, each one of those strike distances are going to be a little bounce down. Why? Why does that make sense? Because look how the market is positioned like that, dude. Each one of these is a call wall by a different counterparty, all doing different things. The dealers are trying to hedge neutral. The market wants to be in the money. So, hence the grind. It actually makes sense for that grind. Anyway. Listen, guys, I love you to bits and pieces, but I'm going to have to peace out. So look after yourself.
Out of here.
Yeah, I'm out of here. I'll leave the stream running, no matter how long it takes. Peeps can listen to some music. So my camera's been off. The whole time. Cool.
Catch you, brother.
Catch you,
you can
brother,
end
yeah.
the stream. I think I'm fucking
You
gonna
do
let
your
this
thing, bro.
trade play out and go to bed.
Cool. Let it play out. I'll play it out on stream. Actually, no, I won't.
All right.
I'll cut it then.
Yeah, I can cut it afterwards. It's all good.
Nice one, bruv. Have a good one. Much love.
Looking like a
Thank
lot
you.
of resistance here, but anyways, all right.
Again,
Peace
it's
out,
better-
bro.
You have to have resistance here, Fluff.
Yeah.
It's 606. It's 606, dude. This is the change of the strike. So what's happening here is everyone's starting to hedge and do other like weird shit here. So this is the deltas and the thetas and whatever.
Yeah.
But after that week of everyone being negged, now everyone's negged. Suddenly the market goes positive. Makes sense. Anyway, that's it from me.
Peace out, brother.
Peace out. Look after yourselves, bro. Much love as always.
Much love. Peace out, brother. Liquidity is building above, so I mean, that CBD's making new lows. That's not nice. Come on, push. Come on, you dogs. Just tap 2,500 today. Just once. I give all this back to the market, I mean, not really. It's not fucking right. Last time I closed out a TP, this time it'll fuck me. Yeah, this is just messy. 990's building up again. This thing's not even live. Fuck you. Yeah, 990's building up. Push, boys, push. CBD's making lower lows, but price is struggling. Bullish divergence. 160 is lighting up. Fuck you. $60, that's nearly my entry. Fuck that. Leave it, leave it, leave it. Yeah. That's 960 tapped. Come on, please. Go, boy. Give me a nice little fucking win on the last trade of the week. That trend line is hopefully can hold. How much is holding on BE? Fuck it. DVD's making lower lows. God damn you. Whoa. The nice recovery on CBD. Hopefully that stays and prints like that. That will be beautiful. 990 is getting some more love, so push up to there. It's just done that fair value gap, so we're getting a lot of SMTs though, but that's on YM, so fuck that. Less what is the 5 minute doing? 5 minute is wrong wick on the bottom. That's not bad at all. The buy volume is dying out. Come on, pop up to 2,500. Under these previous lows now. We are looking good. Bookmaps is looking good. Everything is looking good. CVD's recovered nicely. It's not making newer highs though. Yeah. Push, boys, push. 990, once it pops that, it should... Oh, there we go. Fuck it, did the opposite. I was going to say it should pop through to 2,500, but we hold. 15 minutes still. Whoops. Should I do a cheeky, like Donny? No, don't be greedy. I'm going for the 2500. They're trying to defend this 2500. Yo. Big time. Probably going to hit that and fucking dump. Come on, CBD. You're a dog. That's not good. V-shape out of that bitch. You're kidding me. Fuck, I'm tired. Cell volume is declining. Come on. Pick up push out here again, Barbara. Mid. Nvidia, come on. Yo, everything's looking bearish in the market. Fuck me. Yep. There's nothing even on book maps, crazy. This is a big defend level. The video on book maps is showing a neg. Come on, man. Yes, this was so close to TP. That's ridiculous. Yeah, first time it's broken that green line today too.